Check it out, guys. It's a garter snake. I just came out, had some coffee, and I find this guy. He chilling. The sun was out a minute ago. Yeah, he pretty cool, man. He chilling. I mean, I'm not gonna bug him. Whatever. Pretty cool. I love nature. I'm just out here smoking a cigarette. I find this little guy chilling. Actually, probably about a foot, maybe a little longer than a foot. Dogs over here have no idea. I'm gonna try and keep it that way. He's just chilling. And the dogs are just chilling right there. And the snake is right there. Yeah. Kind of want to poke him with a stick, but I'm not gonna do that. I'll let him rock. Nope, rope. What's up, buddy? When you zoom in on him, you can really see the detail. Just a harmless garter snake, though, nothing crazy.